Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap here to sounds and haptics. For example, if you want to change the sounds of your SMS, here we should select the text tone and just switch your currently sound, the circles, to one from this available sounds. For example, let's use this one. Now just let's go back and we can see that we just successfully changed the sound of our SMS. Also, we can use the notification section here and select, for example, also the messages and just tap here on the sounds and switch your currently sound to another one. By the same way, if you want to, for example, turn on or turn off the sounds from different applications, you should also click here on the switchers to turn it on or turn it off. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.